Hi, welcome to week 4 of this Math 142 online at Whatcom Community College. I'm going to get myself out of the way so we can take a look at what to expect here this week. So, this week we travel back in the textbook to chapter 5. Some instructors do chapter 5 before chapter 6. Imagine that. Because they see the unit circle as a way to introduce trig. I do not like trig being introduced through the unit circle. One, because it makes it seem like trig is about circles and trig is about triangles. Two, it seems like the students are asked to memorize a lot of stuff. There is a ton of information in the unit circle. It's a great little thing. But if you need to memorize it, it's like, God, it's going to be way too much. The thing is, what we've already done in chapter 6 allows us to put all the information onto the unit circle. We know where it comes from. We can figure out why it is the way it is. Okay? So section 5.2, the unit circle, we're going to look at not as an introduction to the trig, but as a consequence of what we've already done from chapter 6. That being said, I do very much like the unit circle as a way of introducing the graphs of the sine and the cosine curve. The sine and the cosine functions, I should say. The sine and the cosine functions, which we'll look at in section 5.3, are waves. They have certain height, which we call amplitude. They have certain length, which we call the period, and we'll be able to figure out why they have certain lengths and how we can change the period, how we can change the amplitude, how things like that. This is all in section 5.3, and that's what we're doing, just those two sections this week. So take a look at the content there. There's a bunch of videos to watch and some practice problems. Be sure to ask your questions in the homework discussion. And of course, on Wednesday, the quiz for the week will appear right below the discussion, and you need to get that done by Sunday night. So, should be a good week.